Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to increase downloading speed in Chrome. First of all, you can open the Google Chrome. I can already open. After opening the Chrome, make sure first that you have a stable internet connection or connected to a fast internet connection. You can just simply scroll down at the top of the screen and make sure that your internet connection is stable. And after this, the next step is you can just simply tap on the tabs at the bottom right corner of the screen and close the unnecessary tabs. This may affect to increase your downloading speed on Chrome. And the next step is you can just simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom middle of the screen, or you can now tap on the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now you can see the option privacy and security. Tap on it, and now you can tap on delete browsing data, and here you can now tap on delete data. And after this, the speed is increased of downloading. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.